Hello po, good day, bali. Ito na po yung inyong order for the brand new Nintendo Switch Lite 256GB package po natin. So yung Switch po ninyo is naka-dual boot na rin po siya. It has yung ating jailbreak mode and legit mode. Currently, we are accessing first yung ating jailbreak mode. Automatic na rin po siya every time that we turn on normally our Switch. Ang una niyang i-access agad ay ang jailbreak mode natin. So 256GB, inserted na rin po siya sa inyong Switch unit. Pakita ko lang din yung charging ng inyong Switch. So, gamitin lang namin yung pang-test namin na authentic Nintendo Switch charger as well. So, currently, battery percentage is at 37%. Kapit ko lang. So, side A charging and side B charging as well. So, iwan lang natin siyang nag-charge. Now, these are the games naman that you requested po which we were able to install. And then if you are going to check your album folder, andito naman yung ating mga homebrew applications. Now, pakita ko lang din because we are currently on our jailbreak mode. If you are going to check po yung inyong serial number, hindi po siya lalabas dito kasi one of our ban prevention is minamast po natin yung serial number during jailbreak mode. So, makikita po ninyo na naka-00 pang inyong serial. You don't need to worry naman kasi makikita nyo rin yung inyong serial once you've accessed your legit mode. Then, yung ating buttons. So, let's first start with our analog. So, left analog natin. Down, left, right, all good. And yung ating right analog naman. So, all good as well. No drifting or ghosting. And for our buttons. So, ZR, ZL, LR natin. Plus, minus, ABXY. Our directional buttons. Analog buttons natin, screenshot. And touchscreen. And yung ating home button. So, turn off lang natin yung switch. And access naman natin yung ating second boot, which is our legit mode. So, before we turn on our unit, we just need to wait around 10 to 15 seconds to make sure na yung mod chip natin sa loob is totally naka-turned off na siya. Let's try. Turning on. Once you see the logo na lumabas, hold down lang po natin agad yung ating volume down button naman para mapunta tayo sa ating Hecate menu selection. And then this time, we can choose our legit mode assistant. So sa legit mode natin, dito tayo pwede mag-access ng ating eShop, multiplayer online, or if you have physical game cartridges, dito nyo rin po siya pwedeng laruin. So dahil nasa legit mode po tayo ngayon, if you are going to check yung inyong album folder, expect na hindi na po ninyo makikita dito yung mga homebrew applications. Rather, pag meron na po kayo mga nakasave na photos or screenshots, dito po siya lalabas. And gaya po na sinabi ko kanina, yung inyong serial number, dito nyo po makikita pag-access ng inyong legit mode. So, serial, ending in 9353, which is the same po dito sa sticker sa ilalim ng ating Switch unit. Yan. So, right now, we started charging our Switch. I think nasa 37% or 39%. Now, we left it charging. And then, currently, battery percentage has gone up to 40%. So, okay na po yung inyong Switch. We've also included na rin pala a free tempered glass na in-install na rin namin. And also a freebie pouch for additional protection. Now, included of course yung accessory that comes with your Switch unit, yung ating Switch charger. Andito po siya. Ayan. Bali, papap na lang din namin yung inyong order and then wait na lang namin yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!